Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing pretty good. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Lurella Cosmetics mystery box unboxing. So I got this right here. I got this on Tuesday. So basically this is their first mystery box. This is $30. You get 6 items for 30 bucks, and what they do is they'll call you and ask you what you want, and they will send it to you with free shipping. So basically in this box is 6 items. They have 3 other boxes. So the second one is $75. The third one, I think it's $175, and now it's $100 on their website, so you guys can check it out. So guys, want to see what I got? Let's get started. So we have the Lurella fam. So shout out to the Lurella fam out there. So what I got is a highlighter. So this is what their highlighter looks like. It's a very pretty metallic type of packaging, and this highlighter is called Brighter Than Your Future. So I love highlighter, you guys. I'm a highlight and blush girl. So this is my second highlighter from them. So this is it. Whoop. And this is what the highlighter looks like. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch to show you guys. So this is like a really nice, like frosted silver highlighter. So yeah, if you go out somewhere at night, it's like dinner, or if you're going to a party, you know, you want to have a little nice glow to your face. So I highly suggest you guys get this highlighter. I think it's on their website for $5 or $6. I would have to check it for you guys. So everything you guys see for this unboxing is going to be listed down in the description box below. So the next item that I have is, this is actually a part of their skincare line that they have for Lurella. It's not a separate line, but this is just for Lurella. So I have the Lemon Brightening Facial Skin Mask. So this is some of their brightening facial masks. This is the lemon one. So I haven't tried it yet, but I will probably soon, maybe in the next few weeks. We shall see. And then they sent me another one. This is their Honey Moisturizing Facial Mask. So this is, I absolutely love face masks because I feel like it really absorbs the skin, give it a nice hydrating glow, and it's like you don't really have to put like a whole lot of like a mud mask on your face. It's very simple. So now we're gonna get to the other 3 products that I have here. So, are you guys ready for the next one? So, the next product is, this is the Lurella Cosmetics Blossom Palette. So, this is the packaging. I think this retails on their website for, oh, I don't have my phone on me. I think it's like $13, I would say. I think so. So, this is what it looks like. Hold on, you can safely take this off. So this is all the colors here. It's very, I have to say, spring. It has a lot of purples, pinks, browns. So if you guys are interested, and I think there's like 3 or 4 pressed pigments, so this is like one of them. So this is like a nice sheen, peachy tone color. So yes, if you guys are interested in this one, you guys could definitely get it on their website for $14. And the last eyeshadow palette that I got, unfortunately you guys can't get this on their website individually. This is the Freshly Brewed palette. So basically what I found out is this palette is a part of their November subscription box from last year. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can get it on their website still. I'm not sure if they still have it, but again, you can find it on their website. This is from their subscription box from last year. So I'm gonna take this down. This is so cute. This is like a coffee, like a latte type of thing. This is really cute. I love the packaging in this one. And then we're gonna slowly take this down. Hold on, guys. So yes, it has a mirror. Isn't this cute? And then they have, okay, so now y'all want to get into this palette. So look at this. This is the cutest thing I have ever seen. I absolutely love it. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think like 8 mattes and like 4 or 5 shimmers. So I have to say, like, this is probably like a everyday or like a fall palette. But this gives me like everyday vibes. Like you could wear, you know, if you're going to work or if you're going to like going to work or school or something like that. This is definitely like really, I highly recommend you guys get this. If you guys do get the $30 mystery box, I was so happy to get my hands on it because I waited a long time and I've always wanted to have this. So I'm really happy and I absolutely love the packaging. I will be probably doing a tutorial with this one in a few weeks. So I have a lot planned. Next week I will be doing a spring lookbook for you guys. So guys, stay tuned for that. And the very last item. This is the Lurella Chic Artistry brush kit. So it has 10 brushes. This one doesn't have a makeup bag that I could put it in. I'm probably gonna have to get one, or a brush holder. So this is the last item. I absolutely love these brushes. I think they're super cute. And I think the best part is that it has a little fan brush in the middle, so that way I don't have to like go in another brush set and look for it. I highly recommend you guys get these items. If you guys are interested, you can get the $30 mystery box, the first mystery box. If you guys are interested, I absolutely love it. I really am so glad that you guys joined me today for this unboxing of a mystery box for the Lurella mystery box for their first box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you guys have a safe and fun weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!